Hello and welcome to El Segundo News, where we inform you about issues and topics happening in the city of El Segundo. I'm Miguel Delio. The El Segundo Fire Department will welcome the public for an open house at Fire Station 1. Learn what it's like to be a firefighter, tour the station, and check out the fire trucks and engines up close. Also expect music, food, and lots of fun activities for the kids. The ESFD open house is from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. on May 11th. For more information, visit elsegundofd.org and look under events. And El Segundo firefighters are also inviting you to learn how to save a life. The El Segundo Fire Department is holding its annual Super CPR Saturday event. This free class awards attendees with a 2-year certification in adult CPR from American Red Cross and is designed for all ages. Participants must be able to understand the curriculum. Don't forget, ESFD's Spring Community Emergency Response Team, or CERT Academy, kicks off at the end of this month. The Academy teaches basic disaster response skills such as fire safety, light search and rescue, team organization, and disaster medical operations. Trained volunteers can then assist the community in an emergency when professional responders are not immediately available to help. For dates and times and to register for this free academy, visit elsegundofd.org and look in the Community Outreach under the Administration tab. The deadline to register for the May training is May 21st. To ensure the public receives critical alerts in an emergency, local agency Alert Southbay will be performing a regional emergency alert test on May 7th at 11:30 a.m. All active cell phones in the South Bay area covering 14 cities will receive the alert in a 30-minute time frame. After receiving the test alert, no action is required. To ensure you receive emergency alerts by text, add Alert South Bay to your cell phone's contact list. Save the number 424-531-9400. This is not a live number and is only used to send alerts. For more information such as how to receive alerts by email or landline, visit alertsouthbay.com. City officials would like to thank you for participating in the annual survey of El Segundo residents and businesses. This is a widely used market research tool that asks community members to rate the likelihood that they would recommend a company product or service. Information from this survey is used during the strategic planning session and informs city operation decisions and helps measure the effectiveness of local services and programs. Thanks again for all who participated in this year's survey. Pavement rehabilitation for the El Segundo Boulevard Improvement Project has been moved to evenings and weekends and will be completed this month. Road work will take place on Douglas Street between Imperial Highway and Rosecrans Avenue. At least one lane will be open for vehicular traffic in each direction. Commuters should expect delays and consider taking alternative routes. Please exercise caution and patience while on the road. And from new pavement to new light fixtures, El Segundo streets continue to improve with plans for enhanced lighting. 8 solar light fixtures have been installed on existing planter poles along the 400 block of Main Street. This project's goal is to help attract more people to businesses in the area while maintaining the small town character of our city. There are plans to add solar lights to more city streets. City Council is expected to formally approve amendments to the city's general plan, zoning map, and zoning code at the May 7, 2024 City Council meeting. These amendments will establish 2 new overlay zones at 7 sites to streamline and facilitate construction of higher density, affordable multifamily housing. The housing element has 11 programs that aim to provide adequate and affordable housing for all population groups, including households with lower income levels. More information about the housing element can be found on the city's website in the Community Development Department's Planning Division section. May is Older Americans Month, and this year's theme is Powered by Connection. The annual Elderfest luncheon will be held at the Joslin Center to recognize the impact meaningful relationships have on our well-being. Our city's Older American of the Year will also be announced at Elderfest. The event includes a raffle and an expo for senior services. Elderfest is on Saturday, May 25th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the Joslin Center. For more information, call 310-524-2705. A new program in Los Angeles County will offer free Samsung tablets and 24-month 5G internet plans to qualified residents. The Access to Technology program aims to support the diverse needs of older adults and adults living with disabilities by providing them with access to digital connectivity. To participate, an individual must meet all the following criteria: be 60 years of age or older, or 18 years of age or older with a disability, reside in Los Angeles County, and must not currently own a mobile computerized device, excluding smartphones such as a tablet or laptop, and/or lacks internet connectivity. To register, visit att.ad.lacounty.gov. For questions about the program, you can also call 833-823-1863. Are you a poet, writer, or literary artist? Then you could be El Segundo's next Poet Laureate. The City of El Segundo Cultural Development Program is accepting applications for the 2024 through 2026 Poet Laureate, who will serve as a liaison, advocate, and leader for poetry, the spoken word, and the literary arts for the El Segundo residents. The program launched in January 2022 with award-winning author, poet, illustrator, and motivational speaker Hope Anita Smith, whose term has been extended through June of this year as El Segundo's inaugural Poet Laureate. For details or to apply, visit elsegundolibrary.org and look under Services. The deadline to apply is May 31st. Members of the Los Angeles Air Force Base recently enjoyed a night on the town in a tour that stopped at 4 popular businesses in downtown El Segundo. Installation Commander Colonel Mia Walsh and nearly 100 colleagues from the Air Force Base and Space Systems Command participated in the event. The tour introduced those who work in the city to the charm and dining options in El Segundo's downtown area. Participating establishments included Brewport Tap House and Kitchen, Susol, Jamie, and Richmond Bar and Grill. At Gala 2024 is on Friday, May 10th. The El Segundo Education Foundation hosts and celebrates one of the biggest El Segundo schools fundraising events of the year with an auction as well as tasty bites and sips. The celebration happens at Chevron Park from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. To purchase tickets and for more details, visit ESEDF.org and look under events. Don't forget about the Hometown Fair happening on Saturday, May 4th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Live entertainment, carnival rides, a bake-off, handmade crafts, and all kinds of other fun take over Library Park and the 600 block of North Main Street. Admission is only $10. For details and for more information, you can call 310-524-2700. That's it for this segment of El Segundo News. You can also watch more city-related videos on the El Segundo Media YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in.